We get calls every single day from very frustrated people that have problems with geese in their backyard. And we always ask them the same question. We ask them, tell us about your bird problem. Is it the nuisance noise? Is it the bird poop? Is it the destruction of your property? They've tried decoy dogs, flashing lights, and products that just don't work. That's where we come in. We've developed a product that truly does keep geese away. Avian Migrate Goose and Bird Repellent is super easy to use. Geese can't stand the smell of it. When they come in contact with it, they are immediately repelled. For humans and pets, it doesn't bother us at all. Avian Migrate Goose and Bird Repellent is non-toxic for people, pets, and even the geese. It won't hurt the birds. It just makes them go away. The Invisidae UV marker is an invisible colorant that you add to the Avian Migrate Goose and Bird Repellent. It acts as an enhancer and a UV colorant that the birds can see from the sky, and the birds end up learning even quicker to stay away from areas that have been treated. We don't see it at all. From the pathogens and the E. coli and the disease that it brings, we finally have a solution to stop those problems. So that's why we use Avian Migrate Goose and Bird Repellent combined with the Invisidae UV marker, and they both work great. Take the container out of the box, shake really well, mix with water, put in the sprayer, shake it again really well, and then start spraying, and watch as the geese learn to stay away from your beautiful property. Who wants to step in goose poop? Nobody.